Welcome back to Deal Unboxing. Today we're going to review a new floodlight cam called AOSU Floodlight Cam Pro. This looks like a great floodlight camera with tons of AI power features. Let's dive into the review. First, let's do a quick unboxing. In the box we have a floodlight camera, installation and mounting kit, and installation and setup guide. Now let's look at the specs. It is a 3K PTZ security camera. It has an SD card slot. You can add bigger SD card up to 128 GB, 3 wide PIR motion sensors with 270-degree range, no monthly fee, 24/7 recording, 106-degree field of view, 2 movable panel floodlight with 2600 lumen brightness. It has color and infrared night vision. It is a PTZ camera, so it can pan and tilt 360-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical. It has a built-in speaker and mic for audio. It is powered by AI, so it can detect humans, vehicles, pets, and more. IP65 rated, works with Google and Amazon Alexa, and it only cost $140 at the time of this review. Now let's talk about build quality and installation. First, the build quality. I have to say I'm extremely impressed by the build quality of the AOSU Floodlight Cam. The attention to detail is top-notch. By holding the unit, you can really appreciate the fit and finish. AOSU has definitely done a great job with the build quality. Now let's move to the installation. The installation was standard. AOSU recommends first setting up the camera using the provided USB-C cable with USB charger. It provides enough power to the camera to finish the initial setup process using the AOSU app. It uses Bluetooth connection to connect the camera with the phone and use the phone to connect to the Wi-Fi connection. Then just follow the instructions in the app to finish the initial setup. The floodlight camera can be mounted on the wall and ceiling but requires junction box. I replaced my backyard outdoor lighting fixture. First install the including mounting bracket, and there are multiple mount points for different options. Mount it on the wall or hang it from the ceiling. I recommend installing the camera into the mounting bracket first, because you have to run the wires through the 3 holes and align the camera with the mount and use the provided screws to mount the camera. Then use the mount to connect to the junction box and connect wires with power source. Or make sure you have the power source switch off before touching the wires. Now let's talk about the video quality and features. When it comes to features, the floodlight camera is basically a PTZ security camera with the list of great features like PTZ, 3K resolution, 2600 lumens of floodlight, 3 PIR motion sensors, and much more. The camera is powered by AI. It can detect humans, vehicles, and pets with really high success rate. And once triggered, it follows objects for maximum coverage with 360-degree horizontal and 90-degree vertical with 106-degree field of view to cover the large area. The camera tracks movement using its 3 massive PIR motion sensors, and it does the job very well, keeping the subject in the frame as they move around different areas, which is great for large coverage. The PIR motion sensors pick up movements up to 270 degrees. As you can see, it uses a 10-second pre-buffer footage to capture the movement. This is the maximum PIR motion sensor coverage we have ever tested in any security camera. In the following test, you can clearly see AI is able to detect human and keep tracking of its movement regarding of the surrounding during daytime and nighttime. It keeps the object in the focus. This is an outstanding result. It will follow the object movement whether it is human or vehicle or pet, and you can select those options from the camera settings. The camera's 3K sensor offers great video capture capabilities. Following are the video clips captured from the camera in daytime and nighttime modes. First, in the daytime, the video quality is outstanding. It captures video in 20 frames per second, and you can clearly see the details of the object to identify the intruders. The night vision clips are also crisp, and great IR power LEDs keeps the monitoring area very well detailed to capture the intruders. The floodlight turns on as soon as it detects a movement, which switches the camera into color night vision. The nighttime mode AOSU did a great job with many great features. The 2600 lumens of brightness keeps the object or monitoring area well lit to keep the tracking of any movement. When floodlights are on, camera captures video in color night vision. This option is set as default and you can change in the settings. The nighttime color video footage shows clear detail about the object or intruder, and camera keeps the object in focus. In nighttime non-color mode, IR power LEDs footage is as good as any other. You can clearly see the object, and IR LEDs can show movement up to 30 feet. There's another new great feature. It is called auto cruise on your schedule. You have the option to leave it auto cruise with panoramic cruise or spot cruise. The camera can rotate 360 degrees to check for any unusual movement and does so on your schedule. So basically, you let your floodlight camera monitor your surroundings for you. All this video footage can be stored locally on a built-in SD card slot with 128 GB max capacity. And best part, there's no monthly fee required or cloud storage to view your video clips. This is A+ in my opinion and would easily be the excellent option for the buyers compared to other security cameras which charge a monthly fee. The built-in speaker is quite loud when triggered using siren option to scare the intruders. The PTZ functionality and controls are easy and responsive. Overall, excellent video quality in nighttime or daytime mode. The security alerts and quick trigger of video capture function is top-notch. Great job by AOSU. Finally, let's look at the AOSU security app and setup process. Let me start by saying the app is great in my opinion. The security camera setup process was extremely easy. Just install the app and follow the instructions in the app to complete the setup. It only takes a few minutes to complete the setup. Great job by AOSU. The app is extremely responsive with tons of settings to choose from. The main page shows you device, and on the bottom, menu like snooze, events, and light settings. The snooze settings let you do not disturb duration. Events show you all the local capture video clips. Light settings let you turn on and off the light manually. There are a lot of advanced settings. Here you can turn on and off the camera, schedule sleep option. Light settings allow you to enable induction light, set light period, and brightness adjustment. Manual lighting hours can control light using Alexa and Google Home. AI detection option let you enable or disable human detection, intrusion, pet detection, vehicle detection, and parking guard. These are the most AI detection option in any camera we have tested. Detection settings allow you to detect any object or select your option. You can also change the detection sensitivity, and you can do that for all 3 PIR motion sensors separately. This is an excellent option. Cloud recording, local recording, video, audio settings allow you to select 3K or smooth mode, auto night vision switch, or turn off infrared lights, two-way talk speaker, and record sound options. You can share the device with family members, LED status light, smart display options like Alexa and Google Home, and finally about device, time settings, firmware updates, quick start guide, Wi-Fi, and remove device options. There are a ton of settings to choose from and great app functionality. Great job by AOSU. Let's do the final summary. Overall, AOSU Floodlight camera is one of the best floodlight PTZ security camera I have tested. The build and video quality of the camera is great. AI functionality is excellent with 100% success rate in my experience. AOSU Floodlight Cam is loaded with excellent features, an option to mount the floodlight camera with different mounting positions. The 2600 lumen brightness from the light panels alone competes with some of the best high-power floodlights. At $140, it is best bang for your buck, and the cheapest AI-powered floodlight camera in the market with excellent features and 3 PIR motion sensors that actually works. On that basis, I highly recommend you should check out AOSU Floodlight PTZ security camera if you're in the market for new security camera or floodlight security camera with all the best AI power features. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please like and sub to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.